Hi everyone. So in this case right here, we're applying some transformations to the radical function. However, there's an issue here. If they were just to list the transformations, I would put them in the correct order. But they didn't. They didn't just list them. You get words like followed by, okay, and finally, meaning that there's an order to these transformations here, and I have to do them in the order specified, which is, by the way, backward from what we would normally do. So in this case right here, a horizontal shift 5 to the left means that inside here, x is replaced with x plus 5. Because to get 5 to the left, what I would do is I would subtract 5 from both sides. That's what I would do to isolate the x there. This is followed by a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1/3. Now, that means replacing the x in the function with a 3x. So here, it's x plus 5. So this is going to become this, actually, I'm going to do this, sorry. I'm going to clean this up as I go. So this is going to become 3x plus 5. But I don't want it to look like that. I want to separate that stretch from the translation, meaning that this is going to become 3x plus 5/3. Okay? So if I was to interpret this, like the final graph here, if I was to interpret that based on just what I'm seeing compared to what the original function would be, this actually looks like 5/3, first of all, a stretch by a factor of 1/3, and then 5/3 to the left. Okay, that's not what they're describing, but they're describing it in a weird order. Finally, we've got a reflection in the y-axis. Now that means replacing x with negative x. Now in this function, that's going to look like this. The square root of 3 times negative x plus 5/3. But again, I don't like that there. I want to separate that from my translation, so I'm going to pull that out. There's a 3 out there already, so this is going to become, okay, negative 3x minus 5/3. And that's the function that they're looking for at the very end here.